Yep, Gallows Hill.
Kathleen's chopping that whole tree right down. She'd be good at escaping a prison. She's going at it.
No. You get in trouble for that. You got a little piece?
Small piece. Chopped it right off.
Can you get me a small piece?
I could try.
She got it! Hallelujah!
She got it.
She got the piece.
She was determined.
She was determined. Look at all the... They're going to clean this place up, though, when they open it.
Yeah.
Just think we see it beforehand.
Yeah.
And
then we should come back and see it afterwards.
Afterwards?
Well, when the memorial is up. Probably going to do something down there. Cause people are going to...
Yeah, see, Tina would hang out here with her friends.
Yeah.
Smoking pot.
In the bag.
See, am I right?
Look at the view over here. What'd she say? No lie?